Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we want to talk about the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 ceramic coating right here. But today we're going to be talking about the exterior trim. So we have a SUV outside. The trim is badly damaged, although it's a fairly new vehicle. And we want to apply the ceramic coating to the plastic trim so you can see how we can restore that trim and protect it. So we will do the conventional preparation with the prep all, and then we will gonna apply it with the applicator and then show you a before and after 50-50 shot, so you have an idea how far the Boosted 2.0 can go. So as you know, you can use this on carbon fiber, glass, painted surfaces, wheels, wraps, plastic trim, exterior trim, among many other things. One bottle of this size, 30 ml, will be enough for a large vehicle, but today our focus is going to be solely on the trim. So I'm going to flip this thing around, we're going to go outside and address this trim issue.
Okay, so we got the Boosted 2.0 and we want to do this trim piece here. You can see it's badly faded there already, typical plastic stuff on this card. So first step, as usual, we're gonna go with the prep all, splash on the microfiber, wipe the surface. I can't say enough that the surface prep is the key. And here we got the Boosted. Alright, we got the Boosted here. I'm using this yellow applicator because it's a lot easier to do with one hand. And simply we're just gonna apply. And in this plastic, I'm not gonna remove anything. I'm just gonna apply directly into the surface and let it set. And you already can see a major improvement there, almost gone. So I will put 2 coats. Okay, so this is done. It's about 90% better. Huge improvement. It's protected, and the tire has the T2. Let's check the other side. And here you can see it a lot better. And you can see here front too. Huge difference. So we're gonna finish that up, go back inside the shop and finish this video up.
Alright, so we're back at the shop, and as you saw, the trim pieces are quite bad, but the one side, the passenger side, we got it almost 95% to brand new condition. As you know, the plastic has some pigmentation with the UV rays and the sun. They just start coming out, a lot of elements outside there, but we did a real good job on that. Now it looks black again and it's protected, and that was with the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will continue to do more videos and show you more about our products. Thank you for all the emails and suggestions. And follow us on Instagram, Turbo Wax. Check our website, turbowax.com. And yeah, thank you for watching.